Baller's got 7 rebounds in the game. There's the three. Oh, another one falls.
Number 5.
60 points. This guy can't be stopped right now.
They've had no answer for him in this one.
Here's Starks. And that one drops for him. Starks has got 12 points in the game.
Oh, what a crafty move, causing the defender to pause right there.
And it's Smart missing.
And I'm surprised that didn't go down. I mean, I'm sure he is too.
Here's the three. And count it. Now 5 for 7.
Two teammates connecting right there. Slick feed.
A little over 2.5 minutes off the clock in this final half of play. Here's Baller. Hits yet again. Wow!
This game has his name written all over it.
He has been phenomenal. An offensive onslaught. Poke loose. Inside. Pass to Smart. From outside the arc. Rebounded by Kim. Kim's got a rebound number 5 here tonight. All right, time for an injury report.
Hi, guys. The head athletic trainer for Toronto let me know the status. And this one not something you hear often. A pinched nerve in his elbow. But from the sound of it, it's much more than just a funny bone. Right now, they've got to focus on assessing just how bad this is and how they move forward. BA adjustment time has arrived early this season.
All right, that's good intel. We've definitely been thinking of him, and now we have some more clarity, guys.
Yeah, they now have all the information they need in order to determine the next steps.
Everybody wishing the best for him. We all know how badly he wants to be out there playing alongside his teammates and competing.
Baller passes to May. Here's Baller. Pulls it. And he wills that one in, sinking it right through the back of the iron. Baller's got 11 in the second half. Here's ABC. He's got 27. And the officials signal the backcourt violation. Not careful there.
Hammonds.
Here's ABC. Smart outside. Hits the trifecta. Smart's got his second bucket of the night.
They're getting torched on the perimeter. 4 of the last 5 buckets have been threes.
Here's ABC. Got a piece of it. Pass to Baller. Oh, misses the dunk.
That is a rarity. When he takes flight, he usually hammers it home.
Shoots from the baseline. Smart grabs the miss.
Yeah, just a little off his game this quarter. He's trying to work his way into a rhythm.
Here's Baller. Good! That's another bucket! 71 points and no end in sight.
He's in the zone. The defense looks helpless.
Out of bounds as Toronto keeps possession.
Remains Toronto ball.
On Friday, then on Sunday. So it's the home team now. Here's ABC. Looking to win the run. And a two-handed jam!
Yeah, that's one way to get back into this game. Keep getting him the ball and let him make the shots.
Here's Baller. Nails it from 3.
The defense is nowhere to be found guarding the three-point shot.
For Toronto, they've gotten 7 of 14 attempts to fall in the half. Pass to Hammonds. That one goes in. Hammonds has got 8.
Want to score in the NBA? Picks can really force the D to make tough choices.
Here's Baller. Ferguson with a rebound. Ferguson's got his 6th rebound on the night. Here's ABC. Drills it from deep. ABC's got 32 points.
He makes it look effortless out there. Until the defense actually presents a challenge for him, expect those kind of results.
Time now to hear from our reporter, Allie LaForce.
Brian, some teams are hoping that the league will implement what they call an upper spending limit and others might call a hard cap. Small market teams being dramatically outspent by their deeper pocketed big town rivals. And while this may remedy that, it's not a move that the players are likely to embrace. So Brian, we'll see what happens.
Yeah, we will indeed. That second apron might have the same effect. Allie, thanks. Here's Baller. Non-stop scoring machine right here. And that one's good. Toronto shooting nearly 60% from the floor in the third. Into the lane. And he goes in for the dunk.
He put a little flair on that one.
Yes, he did. Man, he's a strong finisher, huh? Ooh, and he took a hard foul on the shot. So he'll head to the line to shoot a pair.
The officials were right on top of that one.
At the line for the away team.
The first free throw is good. Hits both from the stripe. Here's Toronto with the ball. Here's Ferguson. He's got 22. Here's May. Finished off the break. May's got 5 points now in the quarter.
And I think that play tells you everything you need to know. They're simply playing at a higher level, getting a steal and turning it into quick points.
Here's Baller, and he drives.
Out of the way!
Wow!
Getting up and then throwing it down.
Oh, that was a big hammer right there. Here's Carr. And he says right back at you with a big dunk of his own.
Oh, wow! Plenty of room for his trademark slam.
You could tell once he saw the crack in the D, you knew what was going to happen.
Well, he knows the defense was absolutely playing him soft, not respecting his abilities whatsoever, so he made them pay.
Here's Ferguson. Boom! He jams it straight down.
And he caps his dunk off with a little extra flair, switching hands on that dunk.
And like he was in the air for an eternity. Here's Baller. Pass to May. Here's Baller. This one for three. Connects again from distance. Ooh, you can tell he's feeling it right now.
B.A., he's on fire.
Here's Ferguson. 24 points for him from the elbow. And he gets the bucket. Ferguson's got 26.
Oh, explosive crossover. How's that for a move?
Here's Baller. Down to 5 on the shot clock. From deep three-point range, another bucket. Wow.
And he's been dominant so far in this one.
Shouldering the offense, really taking it to the opposition. ABC, the pass to Carr. Right through the D for the layup. Carr's got 4 points now in the quarter.
That's what you call playing big. He just stays committed to the attack mode.
Tip of the cap there. I mean, that defense was good. The finish was better.
And the bucket is good.
And how aggressive has he been on the offensive end? Over half the team's points have been his.
Knocked away. And the whistle blows on a backcourt violation. Went over and back. Looking at our leaderboard here, last year the teams that made an art out of transitioning from defense to offense.
Their defense led to offense, and no team was better at forcing miscues and capitalizing at the other end.
Here's Baller. Pass to May. Here's Baller. Smart passes to Baller. And it's good! He hits another one!
90 points! A legendary performance!
We will be talking about this one for a long, long time. Deflected! In transition! Fades away. Augustine with the rebound.
Well, the defense was right up on him, so electing to go for the fadeaway there to create some room, well, that makes sense.
Columbus is shooting.